Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making beef ribs in the air fryer. Before I start, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more future recipes. Thanks, and let's begin. I have here some beef ribs. I'm going to take them out. There you go. First thing we're going to do is remove the skin on the back. There we go. Okay, we removed the remainder bits of the skin on the back of the ribs. The first thing we're going to add is some sea salt. Turn it over, do the same thing. Go. Next thing we're going to add is some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Some cumin powder, spread it out, there you go. We're going to add some smoked paprika. Make sure to spread it evenly. There we go. And lastly, some black pepper. There we go. We're good. And next, we're going to add some olive oil. Okay, what we're going to do next is we're going to let it sit here for 30 minutes. For best results, you should leave it in the fridge overnight. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. This is what it should look like. And now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to set it at 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated at 400 degrees and now we're going to put it in. But before we put it in, just spray a little olive oil in there. There we go. Now we're just going to take the ribs and put them in. Okay, we'll be cooking the ribs at 400 degrees for the first 10 minutes. And then the last 20 minutes, we'll be cooking it at 330 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far, and now we're going to lower the temperature to 330 for the last 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes so far, and now we're going to flip over the ribs. Looking good. Alright, let's turn them over. Hot. There we go. Put them back in for the last 15 minutes. Okay, it's been a total time of 30 minutes, and let's take them out. Oh yeah, looking great. Smells really good too with the cumin and the garlic. Okay, let's take them out. Looking good. Let's cut them up. Looking good so far. Okay, cut the last one. Tender too, nice. The last thing what we're gonna do is add some barbecue sauce. This is my favorite barbecue sauce. You should give it a try. It's really good. Just gonna there we go. And just brush it evenly. Okay, this is what we have today. Beef ribs made in the air fryer with sweet barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.